Hey, what's up guys? Today we're making a wooden knife from scratch. Okay, so the first thing is to create a template for the knife that we are going to cut out. So I just grabbed a knife from the kitchen that we're just going to use to get the basic outline and fill in the gaps. So now that we have an outline of the knife, we're going to grab our jigsaw and just go on the outside of the line that we drew and basically cut out this template that we're going to refine right on. Just before we start refining our knife, we need to get a basic outline of the top side dimensions of the knife as well. So I'm just using the same knife as we used previously, just drawing the outline again on the top so that we have a reference point from there as well. Okay, so now we're just going to start refining our knife. We're going to use the belt sander just to get the handle of the knife correct, and after that we can move over to the blade. Here we can see that we've got the handle of our blade refined a bit now. We'll also be refining that as we go on, but the basic shape is there and we can move over to refining the blade section of the knife. As you're working on the blade section of the knife, this is maybe a good time to ask you guys, if you enjoy woodworking content, to like and subscribe, as this helps the channel grow and make more content. Here we can see that the top section of our knife blade is now complete and we've got the basic shape correct. So now the next step will be to sharpen our blade and get that final knife look. So here we finally have our final product where we created a knife from scratch. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. The blade is quite sharp and overall I'm quite happy. So I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers.